Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, May 15, Thursday of 2025. I'm Gio of Betancourt, and this is a recording done by Vantage Markets right about, I will say about an hour and 10 minutes prior to the USA session open. All right, well, if we were to open right now, we would be opening to the downside. We obviously have seen a nice run and the indexes, having more companies coming out and being the perspectives. Today, we've seen that Boeing is one that's been having a lot of backup by Trump's trades and what he's been doing in the Middle East. But we're obviously seeing that perhaps, obviously, after a nice run and opening the week with a gap up, this could be an opportunity for profit taking. So yesterday's levels were not even met, weren't even violated, weren't even touched, and we are within range of yesterday's fluctuation. So perhaps today will be that day that we might just retrace a bit of this movement that we have seen here today. So again, in that retracement scenario, we'll see that basically are the ones that we have placed yesterday, so there's no reason to move them. As far as resistance goes, we are close to that all-time high in the Nasdaq. Our RSI has dipped below that 70 marker, which represents overbought territory. So let's see what will happen today if that will be if we have a retracement day, pullback day. Here we have the Nasdaq, the S&P, which has indeed touched our level of support. So therefore, let's see if we be able to. Okay, let's do this. Let's use that 0.382%, and then we're gonna use the golden ratio of about 0.618, which is 5,806. So probably levels of support, and I'm just gonna leave the same. Oh gosh, deleted that line. So let me just make it again. Here we go. Here we have it. Now let's just delete the tool. So there we have our levels of support for the probable level of support. So selling into this open. The Dow also retracing. Has yesterday it broke our first level, it rebounded up our second one. So today we are seeing this retracement. I mean, if we were to measure how much of a retracement would that be, well, obviously we have surpassed both levels in here. So now we are going to look for, I'm going to use that Monday's swing low as the first level of support, and then the 50-day moving average as our second one, bringing down resistance to 42,300-ish. And then I'm going to use that double top created by Monday's and Tuesday's swings highs. So there we have it. So again, pullback. So Nasdaq is retracing. Crude oil is definitely retracing. It has broken. Obviously, we have open gap down strongly and fluctuating below the 20-day moving average or the medium within the boundary bands. So that level has been obviously been taken out. So let's just use 59.40 around that level for our second level of support, and this is our first level of support. Resistance, well, let's leave the same ones because we need to obviously retrace back over. The first one will be the 20-day moving average, so let's keep that in mind. But overall, I think it's going to be I'm going to speculate that this is going to be a red day. Nat Gas basically is just trading lower, so we're going to continue with the momentum or with that direction of the market. 320 leaving a quite wide gap, I mean, quite range in there. Resistance, I'm gonna bring down this puppy to 345, and then the 50-day moving average is basically right above yesterday's swing high. Then gold. All right, so gold, it did fluctuate lower through our both of the level of support. It has rebounded. So can we just speculate that it will come back again and see if we'll be able to break those two? Yeah, so leave them the same. I'm gonna leave the same levels of resistance as well. So let's see if gold will make another leg down. Will it touch 3,000? All right, so silver, I'm gonna use the 50-day moving average and the medium or 20-day moving average within Bollinger Bands. I'm gonna bring down to today's swing low, and then just right below that 3160, we need to see test out again those levels. I mean, at least the lower Bollinger Band can be a dynamic level of support. Copper. All right, so copper, again, yesterday we spoke about that it was in this time frame, it was creating basically an ascending triangle, right? So the breakout out of that triangle is to the downside. So let's see if it will continue that momentum to the downside. As far as levels, I'm going to bring down my first level of resistance to right about here. Basically, I'm looking for it to cross and touch as many candles as possible from a swing high. And then the 50 moving average, which is basically touching yesterday's opening. Support, we have a support here. So let's see if that will be the case for today. Bitcoin also retracing. So let's leave the same levels that we have. 100,000, psychological round value, very strong one. The euro, all right, so the euro yesterday did a nice move to the upside and quickly retraced and closed in the red. Today, it opened gap down a bit and has been closed, moving higher. So basically, I'm just gonna tighten up my support. I'm gonna leave the same one as yesterday. I'm actually gonna bring down the first level of 112,400 and then yesterday's swing high. Let's see if that will be a nice move to the upside for euro, which seems to be now rallying. So it's rallying to the upside. Let's see if we revisit yesterday's high. All right, so the pound is within the 20-day moving average in the medium of the Bollinger Band and our level of support. So let's see, it also opened gap down, but let's see if it'll rebound and be able to trade above that 20-day moving average, looking to revisit yesterday's high over 134. And that will happen as we see how the dollar index may continue to trade lower and revisit yesterday's low. So I'm gonna bring up my support to the 20-day moving average of the medium and see if that will be enough for the market to rebound from there. So if we do see a continuation of the earnings to drop, we'll see a recovery on the metals and the currencies. That's it for today. Have a great trading day. I'll see you tomorrow.